Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video talking about there is no blue color in the face orientation in Blender 4.4. I'm using Blender 4.4. I want to show the face orientation clearly. I want to delete the top faces. I select the cube and go to edit mode and switch to face selection, and then I select the top face and delete the top face. Now if we want to show the face orientation, we can go to viewport overlays and click the drop down menu. We can find face orientation here. Check the box. So we can see that in Blender 4.4, we can see the inside face is red only. It doesn't show the blue for the front face. This is default setting for the Blender 4.4. If you want to go back to blue face for front face, same as previous Blender version, we can go to Edit and Preferences, and then go to Things, and we can find 3D viewports. Open it, and go down to face orientation. We can find that back is in red color, and the front, we can set it to semi-transparent of blue. So this is the setting for the face orientation in Blender 4.4. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG. See you in the next video.